So hey guys, in this video I will tell you about our Snapchat's new update, which is going to be very useful for many Snapchat users. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application and then tap on your profile. So guys, as you tap on your profile, you will see a option of arrow in the next of your name. So as you tap on this arrow, you will get to see this kind of interface in which you will see add public profile or alt add public profile which you have created. So guys, by using this feature, you can create multiple public profiles without creating multiple Snapchat account. Like guys, if you want to create a public profile or a page or a business page, simply you just need us one Snapchat account. And if you want to create, simply you have to tap on this option friends, and as you tap on this option, simply tap on add public profile. In this page, you have to fill the username of your public profile, then set the password, profile display name, email address, and then guys, most important, select your profile like type. Is your profile for professional creator or a business page? So friends, by following these steps, you can easily create multiple Snapchat pages without creating multiple accounts on Snapchat. And friends, if you want to get this feature, first of all you have to update your Snapchat application friends, and then if this option is not showing in your profile first time, then you have to close on this app, and after then as you open, you will get to see this kind of arrow option. Like for example, I will close on my Snapchat application, then I will open again my Snapchat, and guys, you can see this option is available now. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.